Evidently, I'm a lady who likes a little bit of chocolate, so I thought I'd show you what's in the Cadbury box. First of all, how cute is this box? This is really, really giftable. So if you wanted to buy it for yourself and pretend you was going to gift it to someone else, you'd cheap up immensely. Or you really could gift it to someone, I suppose. So it comes like that, all nice and tidy, so no one can break in and steal anything. But let's do that now for science. Here we go. This is how it's presented. You've got your caramel buttons, your regular buttons, and I've got the orange ones. Delicious. I think the orange ones are my favourite. And opening up here, you've got two big bad boy slabs. You've got the whole nut, the best chocolate in the world, and then a bed dairy milk if you are vanilla and don't take risks. Regular dairy milk bar there, so you can pretend to be dainty. Another caramel there, and the fruit and nut. And there's more. Also the Oreo one, not my favourite, but I'm not an Oreo girly, but maybe you are. Oreo boily. And the Marvellous Creations, which I don't think I've ever tasted. So I guess that's a sign that I'm going to have to smash it. All in all, a really fab box. You can't go wrong with Cadbury. Fantastic, great selection, really giftable, really smashable. And yeah, I like it. Just buy yourself some, have a nice night and eat some chocolate.